Welcome to World of BulkSMS Services. In this video, we will learn about DLT registration and its importance in BulkSMS services. DLT stands for Distributed Ledger Technology. It's required by TRAI to stop the spam messages. TRAI made DLT mandatory to stop spam messages and increase privacy for the users. TRAI rules need to be followed, and sender ID and messages must be approved. You can register for DLT by visiting the SMS provider portal and follow all the steps given below. If you want to share OTP for security, then also DLT registration is necessary according to rule. DLT is also mandatory for sending offers, promotions, and transaction-related alerts like payments. You can contact Shree Tripada for free DLT support and to buy BulkSMS at low cost. Contact us on given number for more information.